The people who give the money to make Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood are the people who contribute to this and other public television stations, and the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.
Local broadcast of Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood is made possible in part by WETA members and by the Homer and Martha Godelski Family Foundation. If you're not paying attention, you'll miss more of WETA Kids.
Well, I guess it's like the time I took the training wheels off your bike. I mean, you were afraid at first, but then you got the hang of it.
Yeah.
Or the time your mom taught you how to ski. I mean, in the beginning you fell down a lot, but then you always got right back up again.
Mm-hmm.
Or like jumping off a diving board. And the more you do it, the more you find out it's really not all that scary.
That's right, Grandpa, and neither is rollerblading. Come on, try it out.
All right, you convinced me. Whoa!
You're watching WETA Kids on WETA Washington.
Barney and Friends was made possible by...
Why are these kids laughing? Why not? Fun and the joy of learning are essential to growing up, and we're proud to play our part at Chuck E. Cheese's by supporting children's public television, where a kid can be a kid.
Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, where they know that the fun of playing and learning together is more than just good. It's great!
And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.